Hi everybody, it's Reina with Double TI, and if you are looking for something beautiful, comfortable, and stylish, open to shoes for a wedding, graduation, or whatever occasion you might be, well then I would recommend this one, Dream Spirit. In my case, I love going out to dance, and these are my dancing shoes. And I love it because I feel so comfortable in them. I feel stable because they have a wide heel, like you see here. I just love the sparkliness and the aesthetic look of them. It's simple, but it's just so stylish. So the first time I saw these high heels, I knew I have to have them. And if you're looking for open toe high heels for dancing, graduation, wedding, and to look beautiful and has a lot of compliments, I definitely recommend this one. And that is my point of view.